Starbucks shut down this afternoon at all 8,000 company-owned locations nationwide, and it's not for health reasons. The company is closed for racial sensitivity training. They're hoping it'll help bring the public's trust back. Good evening, and thank you for joining us on Fox 44 News at 5:30. I'm Leslie Rangel.
I'm Robert Burns. Now, this is in response after back in April, 2 African-American men were arrested in a Philadelphia store while waiting for a friend. Tonight, Fox 44's Nohely Mendoza is live in the control room with how the local NAACP is now responding.
Leslie, Robert, Dr. Peaches Henry says though this is a good step toward racial equality, the country has a long way to go.
Training on one afternoon is not going to change people's hearts.
Over 180,000 Starbucks employees around the country, including here in Central Texas, followed a curriculum crafted in part by the NAACP, Starbucks chairman Howard Schultz, and musician and activist Common.
Helping people see each other fully, completely, respectfully.
The training sparked by this event, the arrest of 2 black men waiting on a friend in a Philadelphia Starbucks. The store manager refused to let one man use the restroom and called police on the pair for trespassing when they hadn't made a purchase.
I don't think anybody should have that problem. You know, it's just the bathroom. It's not a real big deal.
After the incident sparked nationwide outrage, Starbucks apologized, reached a financial settlement with the 2 men, and now allows anyone, paying customer or not, to use the restrooms.
What I think that Starbucks is doing is making a statement that this is not something that the corporation at the top will tolerate, and that is an important, significant message to send.
Though this is a step forward, Starbucks leaders say today's training is not going to solve the bigger problem.
We realize that 4 hours of training is not going to solve racial inequity, but we have to start the conversation.
And it is always good to have those kinds of conversations around race. We in our country are very uncomfortable with those conversations, but they are important and significant conversations to have.
Now, experts say today's closures are going to cost the chain over $12 million in lost profits, and Starbucks says this is only the beginning. New hires will also have to go through that training. Live in the control room, Nohely Mendoza, Fox 44 News.